Leads are what fuel a sales pipeline. Without them, your list of potential sales will be dire, and as a result, your business could suffer. Leads are essential in all forms of marketing, but the way you attract them will differ slightly for digital marketing versus traditional marketing. 74% of companies say that converting leads into customers is their top priority, and why wouldn't it be? The more customers you have, the more money rolls in, right? The most effective way to ensure that you have a solid conversion of leads into customers is by having quality leads roll into your sales pipeline, and the best way to do it is with a lead generation strategy. G'day, it's Trav here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Before we rush into what lead generation is, you probably need to understand what a lead is. A lead is a person who has indicated some form of interest in your company, product, or service that you offer. Leads have begun their buyer's journey and are showing signs that they wish to make a purchase. Another way to think about it is that they're people who have offered their contact info to your business. You're basically claiming that the odds of these leads eventually purchasing is higher because they're ticking the same boxes that successful leads did in the past. So, lead generation is the strategy of exactly that, generating more leads. It's a strategy used by both outbound and inbound marketing to attract and convert strangers and prospects into potential customers. It's not about solely increasing your traffic to your website, it's about increasing the quality of that traffic. Outbound lead generation is initiated by the marketer on their terms on whatever medium they have chosen, while inbound lead generation is on the prospect's terms when they choose. According to HubSpot, a business practicing inbound lead generation will spend 61% less than one practicing outbound lead generation. What used to work for attracting customers isn't effective with the power of shifting from a salesman to a buyer in today's market. With the sheer amount of information out there, you don't have to take anyone's word for it. You can do it on your own research and make an informed purchase. Inbound lead generation allows the buyer to set the tone of the conversation so they aren't rushed or scared off by a pushy sale. Inbound makes your business easily discoverable online with valuable, useful content to build trust with your consumers and your brand while establishing a relationship at the same time. An example of inbound lead generation is a downloadable ebook on your website where a potential prospect must exchange their contact information with you to access the download or subscribe. Nowadays, parting with your email address isn't a big deal. However, this simple exchange is someone showing interest and is what converts a stranger into a potential lead. Any good website is designed to maximize lead generation with prompts for visitors to submit their email address or chatbots used to qualify those leads. If your website isn't designed to maximize leads, you could be missing out on countless opportunities. If you do have proper marketing and sales ability, then you're looking to grow your business, then lead generation is for you. Just be sure to conduct proper research and understand your target audience first. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with lead generation. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips and templates to help you find, sell and keep your people just like Neighbourhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.